Singing in the shower has always been one of mankind's favorite pastime activities. Enhancing that experience, we have dedicated speakers that are custom made to work properly in the shower without you having to worry about damaging them. Contrary to one's immediate assumptions, these speakers aren't exactly wallet-burning expensive, yet they offer a bunch of features that will make your shower time more enjoyable. In our video today, we are going to talk about the 5 best shower speakers you can get your hands on right now. So without further ado, let's begin.
At AudioZone, our mission is to help audio fanatics make the right buying decision. We are a team of audiophiles who spend countless times testing out gadgets to make informative tutorials, in-depth reviews, and make your buying decision simple and effective.
We are going to begin our video today with the Lenru F9, a relatively lightweight speaker both in terms of physical weight and pricing that has multiple features to turn your boring shower more entertaining. It has colorful RGB lights which syncs itself with the music, changing its colors and rhythms with the groove of the beat, instantly turning your shower into a visually pleasing light show. And if you're not into that idea, there's always a dedicated button to turn it off. An IPX7 waterproof rating makes the Lenru F9 perfect not only for showers but for the pool, boating, kayaking, beach, you name it. It also comes with a suction cup which you can stick to almost anywhere. Lenru F9 provides clear and balanced audio with booming bass, which for its size is pretty surprising. A full range driver and passive radiator create an immersive experience, further enhancing the audio. And finally, with a USB-C charging feature, the speakers can run for up to 20 hours, making this a solid choice for a budget shower speaker and the number 5 product on our list today. Up a few notches, we have the JBL-Clip 4, the most portable shower speaker on the list you can get right now that comes with a pretty unique shape, separating itself from its peers. Even with the compact size, the JBL-Clip 4 delivers beautiful and unexpectedly rich audio quality combined with punchy bass. Speaking of the size, its uber portable design complements your appearance perfectly with colorful fabrics and overall expressive details. It comes with a redesigned carabiner that comes attached to the speaker itself for protection and further portability, meaning you can clip it and go anywhere you want without worries. With the JBL-Clip 4, you get the ability to stream music from your phone, tablet, or basically anything that has a Bluetooth connection completely wirelessly, making this the go-to speaker for the shower. The fact that it comes with a reliable IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating further enhances the fact and makes the speaker have more impact regarding protection. And finally, with a USB-C port, the JBL-Clip 4 can run straight up to 10 hours uninterrupted while taking 3 hours to be fully charged. All these things considered, we have put the JBL-Clip as the number 4 product on our list today. Up next, we have a relatively feature-heavy speaker for our next speaker, and it's called Roam by Sonos. With Sonos-Roam, you'll be able to stream music over Wi-Fi, and the process gets much easier with the implementation of a dedicated Sonos app. You can also easily integrate the speakers with Apple AirPlay 2, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Precision-engineered acoustics take responsibility for providing audio with details, clarity, and depth, which is surprising to hear from a speaker of this stature. It also adapts to the ambient sound using automatic TruePlay tuning technology. The design will blend in beautifully not only inside your shower, but every corner of your home. The lightweight and ergonomic design make it super portable and easy to handle. With shock-absorbent materials and solid IP67 dust and waterproof rating, Roam promises to work well under every challenging scenario. And finally, the built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 10 hours of non-stop music. All that with the smart connectivity features puts the Sonos-Roam at number 3 spot on our list today. And now, for the runner-up position for our list today, we have the WONDERBO 2 from Ultimate-Ears, a speaker that will enhance your overall shower experience by providing uninterrupted musical bliss. For its size, the WONDERBO 2 produces a relatively loud level of sound with a big 360-degree soundstage. The loudness is further amplified with the new outdoor boost feature that comes with a dedicated button that instantly increases the loudness and clarity, perfect for when you think the sound of the shower is draining your audio. Have a tub? Then you can make full use of WONDERBO 2 since apart from having a waterproof rating of IP67, it also has the ability to float. It also makes a prime choice for the pool or the beach. Being in the same ecosystem has its perks, as you can pair two WONDERBO speakers to enhance your audio in either mono or stereo mode. And finally, the WONDERBO 2 can run for an impressive 13 hours without needing a charge, which sees you through days in showers as well as beaches and biking adventures. All things considered, we have decided the WONDERBO 2 from Ultimate-Ears should have a well-deserving runner-up spot for our list today. And now, for the number one position on our video today, we have a speaker from none other than Bose, and it's called the SoundLink Flex, a state-of-the-art outdoor speaker that's simply the best shower speaker you can get right now. A custom-engineered transducer produces comparatively clear, deep, and overall immersive audio that you'd love to jam to while in the shower. Enhancing the clarity, the speakers come with proprietary Position IQ technology that automatically detects the position of your speaker and adjusts the sound automatically. SoundLink Flex meets the IP67 waterproof speaker standards and is delicately crafted and sealed using waterproof materials. As a result, it is even able to float, making this an incredibly handy speaker to use in a tub, pool, or at the beach. The speaker also comes with a built-in microphone which, combined with Siri or Google Assistant, allows you to receive and make calls just by using your voice. A dedicated app called Bose Connect constantly keeps the speaker updated with the latest software, and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery keeps the speaker running for up to 12 hours. Apart from being able to pair with additional Bose speakers and being easy to handle, the speaker is also incredibly rigid and durable, ensuring it stays with you through and through. All of these marvelous features are why we picked the Bose SoundLink Flex as the overall best shower speaker you can get your hands on right now. So that was the list of the 5 best shower speakers you can get your hands on right now. Do you agree with our list? Which one would you go for when choosing one for yourself? Do let us know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.